Hey guys, this is how to fix Hive app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions. And for the Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search at the bottom and go for the top at the search bar and search for the application. And now from here, just simply tap on the app. And guys, when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update. And now another option, just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on enable update. So make sure to turn this on in order for you to avoid issues. So now another option that you have is just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And now from here, guys, just simply try to find the application which is on letter H and just simply tap on it. And now just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and when you open the app, you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. So guys, if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I will try to answer them. Now for the third solution is just simply go back on the top left corner of the screen and just simply tap on uninstall at the bottom. And now just simply tap on OK. And for the third solution is just simply reinstall the application and just simply go back to the Google Play Store and tap on install again, install it back again to your device. And there you go. See ya.